Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? I hope that you will be fine and enjoying your summer vacations nicely at your homes. Students, today we are going to solve the remedy pack 2 of the level 9 and the subject is chemistry. The given page number that we are going to solve is 16. Students, at this page we have the question number 2, learn and write following short questions. So students, you have provided with the various short questions and you have to write the answer and also learn them properly. The first one is, who was a chemist and what is their contribution in the field of chemistry? Students, alchemists are basically the scientists who worked in the field of alchemy. Students, alchemy is basically the branch of chemistry in which the scientist worked with the different kinds of the matter, and they believe that all kinds of matter were same combination of the four basic elements. So students, here I have mentioned their contribution also. They have the two main objectives. One, they will change the common metals into the gold. So this is their huge discovery. And also they will find cure, which means prevention against the various diseases. So they will provide benefit to the life of the people. So this is all about alchemists and their contribution. Number 2, why the improvement in Mendeleev's periodic table was made. So students, Mendeleev periodic table was the old periodic table on the base of which elements were arranged on the atomic masses. So students, why it is so that we made improvement or changes in the Mendeleev periodic table? So you will have to write the answer that improvement was made in the Mendeleev periodic table just due to the discovery of the atomic number. So students, atomic number is a very fundamental property of the element because of the two reasons. The one is, every element has a specific atomic number, and in the modern periodic table in which we arrange elements on the base of their atomic number, it will increases from one element to another element regularly in a period. So there will be repetition of the properties regularly occurs in the modern periodic table, which is not possible if we arrange elements as we have arranged in Mendeleev periodic table on the base of their atomic masses. So you have to write the answer and learn it properly. So students, moving on to the page number 17. Number 3, why the ionization energy of sodium is less than that of magnesium. So students, ionization energy is the amount of energy that is required by an atom to lose its electron. So we have the ionization energy value of sodium is less as compared to the magnesium. So students, we have to compare that why ionization energy of the sodium is less than that of the magnesium. So students, if we talk about the sodium, in its valence shell there is only one electron, like sodium 11, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. So it has only one electron in its valence shell. So the energy required by the sodium will also be equal to that one electron, that is plus 496 kilojoule per mole. But students, magnesium having atomic number 12, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. So students, there is 2 electrons in its valence shell. So when we have more than one electron to lose, the value of ionization energy will be more. It has only the first ionization energy, but in case of magnesium we have more than one ionization energy value. So students, you can write and learn that sodium has ionization energy less as compared to magnesium. Number 4. What is shielding effect? So students, shielding effect is a type of effect which occurs due to the valence electrons which are present. The less nuclear charge means they are getting less attracted by the nucleus just due to the electrons which are present in between the valence electrons and the nucleus. So students, this effect is called the shielding effect. So you can see here, in case of the sodium, if we draw its electronic structure like this is the nucleus. This is the first shell consisting of the 2 electron. This is the second shell consisting of the 8 electrons, and the last shell will be consisting of only 1 electron. So students, that 1 electron is a valence electron. It will be less attracted by this nucleus just due to the presence of these electrons which are present in between them, and this effect is called the shielding effect. Number 5. Ionic compounds conduct electricity in solution or molten form. Why it is so? Students, ionic compounds are the type of the compounds having the ionic bond in them, which is formed between the positive and the negative ions. So students, when ionic compounds are present in the solution and the molten form, they will conduct electricity, but in the solid state they will do not conduct electricity. Students, the reason is that electricity is the flow of electrons. So this flow of electrons occur in the solution and in the molten form. So students, that's why ionic compound conduct electricity only when they are in the solution and in the molten form, but not in the solid state. So students, you can write here that in solution and molten form, the negative and the positive ions held free and move. So due to presence of such free positive and negative ions, ionic compounds conduct electricity, as ionic compounds are composed of the positive and the negative ions, and when they will be free, the conduction of electricity take place. Students, I hope that you clearly understand our today's lecture. We will meet tomorrow in our next video. Till then, अल्लाह हाफिज़।